That'll do.
Okay, keep it coming, steady as it goes. Keep it coming with the samples. Okay, F sharp minor coming up, that's it, lovely, round we go. Okay, now really want you to B, C, that's great, and riff coming up in 3, 2, 1, give it to me, that's great, we're off, that's it. Go, okay, steady, easy now. Up to C sharp, 3, 2, 1, we're good, okay, down, now we're on the straight, keep it on C sharp for the straight, B minor, my god, B minor, quick, oh, thank God for now, okay, easy, back now, we're coasting off the throttle a little bit, and riff coming up in 3, 2, 1, we're there, go.